Chris is awesome. He's as hot as it get, the type to drop you quick with a mafia kick. Got the hunger of a young lion, plus the eye of the tiger. Pummel you like he's a young Tyson. That young knockout kid, split your wig. Rivera Cloverleaf, snap you like a twig. You're more
team partner from Boston, Massachusetts, and Dean Edwards.
So the Elimination Tag Team table match has begun. Remember, in order to win, both of your opponents have to go through the tables.
What a knife-edge chop. Oh my gosh, big-time impact. Nice, well-placed kick to the ribs.
What a match this is going to be. Hold on, where's he going?
Remember, there are no countouts in this contest. This match could end up anywhere.
Got out of the way of that one.
He's got wood. I can't believe this is a watch it.
Oh, stopped at the last second. And the knuckles connect. Collar and elbow battling for control. The excitement of the air is palpable for this no-holds-barred contest.
Suplex and a nice one. It won't take long for the aggression to escalate quickly in this one.
And Hero has the wherewithal to avoid taking any damage.
Oh, what a painful kick. Bam! Ouch! I have a strong feeling that these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam ahead.
The future.
An atomic drop. That'll buckle your knees.
Nicely avoided there.
Looks like he's having trouble staying in the ring. And another table has entered the match.
Oh, done with the clothesline. These superstars looking for a victory, looking to build momentum. That's definitely a tide turner. The future squeezing down on the head.
A fantastic counter from the Pacific Islander.
And he's heading back inside the ring. Great takedown there. The future saw that coming.
There's a table.
Things are about to get ugly.
He's got a table in hand. Oh, with the table. Boy, did he get dropped or what?
Oh, no, look at those eyes. Evil thoughts have to be running through his mind. That was a ton of velocity.
Back into the ring now. And there's a hard right hand. It doesn't get more painful than that. On that table, not where you want to be. When they say say Extreme Rules, it doesn't get any more extreme than this match. Watch the superstar. Oh! And down he goes.
The Future controlling the waist.
Wait a minute, look at this big body slam here. Ow! They hit him with the table. He's in big trouble.
What incredible impact. Nice dodge there.
He's looking to do more damage with that object.
These superstars are so unpredictable. I'm having a hard time thinking.
Oh!
King, did you see that?
Oh, man, it doesn't get much closer than that. Hey!
Wow, he was just about to get his head taken off. We're in the midst of a WWE no disqualification match, and things are about to get extreme.
Uh-oh, he's up on the table. Oh, a huge slam. Ow! Ooh. Oh, my, an explosive suplex. Oh, a serious knockout blow.
Remember, this is no disqualifications. That weapon is about as legal as a headlock.
Would you listen to this crowd show their appreciation for these amazing competitors?
And he hits the drop kick. What impact.
Oh, mama!
And he gets out of the way.
And we know what this is. Continuing to deliver a beating with that table. Look out. And that punch lands hard. Oh, man, what impact from that suplex. Oh, what's he got in mind? An elbow. Call your friends. Let them know what's going on right now in this. Wow, if he keeps this up, this could be over quick. Oh, no. Wait a minute, Cole, what's he going to do here?
Not today. Too fast.
We might be seeing the beginning of the end.
The Future controlling the head.
These men are playing Russian roulette with their careers in this environment. Look at the agility.
These competitors trying to keep their wits about them.
Oh, look out here. Uh-oh. He's spending more time outside the ring than in it. I'd get out of the way right about now.
And there's the reversal.
Reversal.
Blocked. And he gets placed back on the table.
These guys, oh my God, what a chair shot. Oh, over the top rope.
And this is going to return to the ring. Oh, don't do this.
Ooh, and he got dropped. Looks like he's having trouble staying in the ring. What's he gonna do here? What's he gonna do here?
Devastating. Just a devastating neck breaker. A battle of wills now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 of a no disqualification match.
He's back up on that table.
At what point, King, do those thoughts creep in of, what do I have to do to put this match to rest?
And I don't know. I don't know as a WWE superstar if you ever have those thoughts of self-doubt. This ball boy, be ready to move.
Well, I bet he'll second-guess doing that again.
I don't think this is a good idea.
And we're good. And he's back on the table. And he's going to use the table as a weapon.
Oh, and did you hear the impact? How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal. Oh, no! What? Does he have his eyes open? Battered and bruised. Hero is in tremendous trouble.
He was one step ahead on that one.
Dodges to the side of that one.
Wait a minute. It looks like a table coming into play here.
He's been set up again. And again he exits the ring.
Watch it.
Oh, directly on that table.
It might be time to run.
Nobody home for that one.
And he gets laid out right on the table. Cole, what's he got in mind?
And can you believe that impact?
He is definitely going to have those ribs looked at after this match.
And he gets placed back on the table. Going top rope once more.
This is it.
Oh, and he eats the canvas.
I don't like the looks of this. Hey, easy with that. Watch it. Oh, he's on the move again. Watch out, he's got a chair.
And he's back on the table.
He's heading back up. Heads up. He whipped that one.
Wild strike misses the target. Look at this. The future.
All in. Jackpot.
And again he moves to the outside. Look out.
Oh, man.
Through the table. His opponent's in no shape to stop him now.